In this video we will see how the putty session timeout or the network error can be resolved from the putty settings. So many people who are using putty, they have gone through this errors. So whenever the session timeout, we can hear this kind of network error pop-up coming regularly. So this is very annoying to the people. So to overcome this network error or the session timeout error, there is a setting in putty which we can set to overcome this error. You can click on the putty and then run the putty configuration. There you can go to the connection tab. Here you can see seconds between keepalives. So here this is a text box provided here. Here you can give like 10 seconds. So that every 10 seconds the session this will be pinging the server and the session will be kept alive, so you don't get again this kind of network error or session timeout error. So you give 10 seconds here, go to the sessions, select default settings and then save the this settings. So I'll show you again. Go to the connection, seconds between keep alive, you keep 10 seconds, then go to sessions, default settings and then save it. So whenever you create any new session, these default settings will be applicable to that session as well, and then this error will not be coming again, and definitely this will solve the session timeout error problem. I hope this video is helpful to all whoever is using putty. Thank you.